Welcome to MultiTeach and Lessons Online. In this video, I'll provide an overview of MathBugs, a fun educational app in Snowflake MultiTeach. MathBugs is a fun way to help students develop math fluency skills and the learning of multiplication and division concepts. Select the MathBugs icon to open it. MathBugs supports 2 or more students working on a large display in front of class or tabletop mode. On this screen, there are 2 categories to choose from, multiplication or division. If you select multiply, you'll see a screen with ladybugs numbered from 2 to 11. Tap a number, and when the game starts, ladybugs will start crawling about on the screen. Tap only the ladybugs that represent multiples of the selected number. When you tap the correct ladybug, a corresponding equation will appear. If not, a message that the selection was incorrect will appear. When the round is completed, the results will be shown. You can restart the round or select Menu to return to the selection menu. If you select Divide, you then select ladybugs that can be divisible by the selected number. An equation will appear if your selection is correct. If not, the incorrect message will appear. In this example, the multiple played in the game appears on each side as a reminder. At the end of the round, results are shown. The MapBugs app can be used with other apps, such as numbers and squares, along with related interactive lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons community. Here is MathBugs in Zones with the Numbers app. Here is the MathBugs app with the Numbers app on the top. A multiplication lesson from the MultiTeach Lessons community is on the bottom left next to the Squares app. MathBugs works well in tabletop mode using the rotate and swap features and can be part of a learning center where a group of students can access up to 4 apps and lessons simultaneously. This has been an overview of MathBugs, a fun educational app in Snowflake MultiTeach. For more information about MultiTeach, the MultiTeach Lessons community, and Lessons Online, visit these links.